Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make sub-bookmark in a PDF file using PDF element. Open your PDF file and click on this bookmark option. First I'll make this space as a bookmark and click on this bookmark option. I select part 1. Okay, this page now bookmark. And now click on this bookmark and click right button, and here you will find this add sub bookmark. I'll select this image first and click right button and select add sub bookmark image and see this and go in here and click here, and this image now sub bookmark. Also I will sub bookmark this text and click here and click right button and select add sub bookmark text and see this and go in here and click this bookmark and see this sub bookmark. Also I'll sub bookmark this image, click here and click right button and select add sub bookmark. Yes, 2 and see this and put it down here and see this image 2 also sub bookmark. In this way you can create sub bookmark on your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.